Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of them is the straighten button, so this is our leveler. By just one tap here we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, and here in the center in the preview we can see this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. When we have the yellow color on the sign, we can be sure that it works perfect. And of course, when we don't need the leveler, we have to go back to the right corner settings, tap to the straighten to turn it off, and in the preview it has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.